Falling victim to a scam can be devastating, emotionally and financially. But don't lose hope. There are real steps you can take to recover your money and protect yourself in the future. In this video, we'll walk you through how to report scams, contact the right authorities, and request reimbursement from your bank or payment platform. Subscribe for more helpful guides on digital safety, fraud prevention, and financial recovery. Falling victim to a scam can be financially and emotionally devastating. Whether it happens through a fake investment, online shopping fraud, phishing email, or phone scam, losing your hard-earned money to deceit can make you feel helpless. But the good news is there are legitimate ways to fight back. Many victims recover at least part of their money by acting quickly, documenting evidence, and reporting through the right channels. The key is speed, awareness, and persistence. This guide walks you step by step through how to report, trace, and recover your money after a scam, while also protecting yourself from future fraud. Point 10. Stay calm and act fast the moment you realize you've been scammed. Panic is natural, but it's also dangerous. Scammers rely on confusion and fear to escape unnoticed. Take a deep breath and focus on immediate action. Write down everything you remember about the scam. How it happened, what platform was used, what communication took place, and where you sent the money. The faster you collect this information, the faster you can report it. Time is your most powerful weapon in fraud recovery. The sooner you act, the greater your chance of success. Point 9. Contact your bank or payment provider immediately if you made a payment through your bank account, credit card, PayPal, or digital wallet. Contact their customer support or fraud department right away. If you used a bank transfer, ask them to initiate a recall or stop payment request. For credit or debit cards, file a chargeback, a dispute that can reverse the payment. For PayPal, Cash App, or Wise, open a fraud case through their official dispute centers. Even if the scammer already withdrew the funds, your bank's fraud team can still freeze accounts, track transfers, or forward the case to law enforcement. Speed is everything. Report within hours, not days. Point 8. Secure your online accounts and devices. Scammers often steal more than money. They may have access to your personal data too. Immediately change passwords for your email, banking apps, and social media accounts. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all sensitive accounts. If you believe the scammer has your personal ID, card details, or social security number, contact your credit bureau to freeze your credit file and prevent identity theft. Run antivirus and malware scans on your devices to remove any hidden software the scammer might have planted. Protecting your identity is just as critical as protecting your cash. Point 7. Report the scam to local law enforcement next. Report the fraud to your local police or cybercrime unit. Take every piece of evidence you have, transaction records, chats, screenshots, emails, and even phone numbers. Filing an official police report not only helps you recover money, but also assists in tracking the criminals behind the scam. In many countries, online fraud is handled by specialized agencies. USA, Federal Trade Commission, FTC, via reportfraud.ftc.gov or the FBI's ic3.gov. UK. Action Fraud at Action Fraud, Police, UK, Canada. Canadian Anti-Fraud Centre. Your report can be shared internationally if the scammer is based abroad. Never assume your case is too small to matter. Many large investigations begin with individual complaints. Point 6. Notify the platform or website where the scam occurred. If you were scammed on social media, dating apps, or online marketplaces, contact their support team immediately. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, or eBay have built-in reporting tools for fraud. Include links, screenshots, and usernames when filing your complaint. Many platforms cooperate with financial institutions and cybercrime agencies to track down repeat offenders and block fake accounts. Even if you don't recover your money immediately, your report could help prevent thousands of others from falling victim to the same scam network. Point 5. File a complaint with consumer protection agencies. In addition to the police, reach out to consumer protection organizations in your country. They often have authority to mediate between victims and financial institutions. Examples include the Better Business Bureau, BBB, in North America, or the European Consumer Center, ECC. In Europe, if you were scammed by a company or online seller, these agencies can pressure them into issuing refunds or facing penalties. For cross-border scams, Global organizations such as Interpol and ICPIN, International Consumer Protection and Enforcement Network, help connect international cases and track digital frauds that cross multiple jurisdictions. Point 4. If cryptocurrency is involved, act immediately. Crypto scams are increasingly common, and while the blockchain may seem anonymous, every transaction leaves a digital trail. Contact your exchange platform, like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, and report the fraudulent wallet address. They can sometimes freeze funds before they move deeper into the network. Keep detailed records, transaction hashes, wallet IDs, and exchange receipts. You should also submit reports to blockchain tracing firms like Chainalysis, CoinFirm, or CipherTrace, which collaborate with law enforcement to trace stolen crypto. Many victims have successfully retrieved funds when exchanges or police intervene early enough. Point 3. Collect and preserve all evidence. Do not delete any messages, emails, or profiles involved in the scam. Every digital trace counts. Save everything: screenshots, text messages, voice notes, and even call logs. Store them in a secure cloud folder and back them up to another device. Investigators can extract metadata, like IP addresses or timestamps, from your saved files, which could be critical in locating the scammer. Having a well-documented timeline of events also strengthens your position when dealing with banks or credit card companies for reimbursement claims. Point 2. Consult a legal or financial professional if the scam involved a large amount of money or cross-border activity. It's wise to seek professional help. Contact a lawyer specializing in financial fraud or a cybercrime expert. They can advise you on legal procedures, draft recovery requests, and represent you in cases involving stolen funds. However, beware of fake recovery agents or fund recovery companies. Many of these are secondary scams that prey on victims again. A real professional will never demand upfront fees or make unrealistic promises like 100% guaranteed recovery. Always verify credentials, read reviews, and check if they're licensed before sharing your information. Point 1. Learn, reflect, and prevent future scams. Once you've reported and secured everything, take time to learn from the experience. Ask yourself what red flags you missed. Was it the promise of quick profits, emotional manipulation, or urgency? Understanding these tactics builds immunity against future scams. Stay updated about common fraud types, phishing, fake investments, romance scams, and get-rich-quick schemes by following official cyber safety websites and community alerts. Educate friends and family, because awareness is the strongest defense. Finally, give yourself time to heal. Being scammed is painful, but it doesn't define you. You acted, reported, and learned. That alone makes you stronger and smarter than before. Remember, every scam report helps not just you but others who might be targeted next. Act quickly, document everything, and don't hesitate to contact your financial institution or cybercrime department. If this video helped you, hit like, share it to spread awareness, and subscribe for more trusted advice on protecting your money and online identity. Stay alert and stay secure.